So you're working in a Word document. Let's take a look at some quick keyboard shortcuts that can be really helpful for working with your documents. Okay, so here's the first thing. If I click at the start of my document, if I quickly want to get to the end, I just go Control End. Automatically takes me to the end of my document. You can see it over here. Control Home automatically brings it back. Now, Home and End keys are usually found on the keyboard between the alphabetic and the numeric keypad. If you put your mouse pointer just to the left of a line of text and click once, you'll see there's a little white arrow. That will select a line of text. A double click selects a paragraph and a triple click selects the entire document. Now these things are really useful because sometimes you might get documents and you need to standardize the typeface or font size. So selecting all your data and then choosing the typeface and the right font size can be really helpful. Likewise, you can also change your font size quickly and easily by using the Control key and the left square bracket, which is to the right of the letter P. Automatically reduces the font size by one point, and Control on the right bracket automatically increases it by 1. Now you can also use these little buttons up the top here to increase and decrease your font size. It's really helpful if you're just looking to get some data to fit onto a page. So they're just a few quick and easy keyboard shortcuts to help you work smarter and not harder.